Here I have OUKITEL OKT1, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So firstly you just have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button, no, not battery saver please, but hotspot. So by tapping on it once you can switch a hotspot. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can change host name, you can select security protocol, you can change password, you can change IP band. In advanced you can also set your hotspot to turn off automatically if nobody is connected. You can set maximum amount of allowed connections, you can hide its SSID, you can enable whitelist mode. Here you can add devices to my whitelist, and here you can see connected users if anybody is connected to you. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.